Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we are back with yet another amazing opportunity. This is from Futures First, and job is full stack developer intern. So in this video we are going to check out each and every detail about this particular company and about the job role, and I will also share with you all the possible links that will be helpful before applying for this company and how to make the resume. Okay, let's check that out. So these are the things which are going to discuss today. So some basic information about the company at first. So the company name is Futures First. Job role is full stack developer intern and location is Gurugram, Haryana. Date of joining is immediate. It means if you are selected, you have to immediately join this particular internship and eligible batch is 2025. As you can see, the job is of full stack developer and Talent Battle promotes a full-fledged course on full stack developer, which is highly demanded by this particular company. And not only by this particular company, most of the companies, and we are seeing like we are posting jobs on daily basis. Day before yesterday, we posted a job that was about machine learning intern that was also demanding a machine learning certificate. So if you have these kind of certifications, these are really going to help you out even before if you are getting hired. Next is position summary. So what they are looking for? So they are looking for fully talented full stack developers to join their quant team. The ideal candidate will have strong experience with both front end and back end technologies like React, Redux, Flask, and MongoDB. As a full stack developer, you will be responsible for designing, developing, and maintaining web applications that deliver seamless user experience and robust functionality. So hence it is clear cut, it is showing like it is a complete full stack developer course and they need all the technologies. Okay, moving ahead, the duration of this internship would be 4 to 6 month internship. We are assuming this to be a paid internship, but yet this is not mentioned on the website. But even if it is an unpaid internship, you must go for this because these kind of internships are carried as an added advantage to your resume. Coming to education qualifications, they are going to prefer strong academics and degree educated or equivalent. It means they must be demanding your at least like you can take it as more than 60% in your 10th, 12th, and graduation. Work experience, yes, this is not mentioned. So all of you just apply. Okay. Even if you are getting getting the email or not, do not worry. Just keep on applying and subscribe to our YouTube channel because on daily basis we are uploading a new job opportunity for 2025 batch students. Majorly we are focusing on, but we are also uploading for 2024 because there are some students those who are left unplaced from 2024 batch. So we are posting jobs for those students as well. So work experience is a fresher. You must be proficient with React, Redux, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and Tailwind. Worked on Flask and Python. Knowledge of Node.js plus proficiency in MongoDB, including database design and optimization. Moving ahead, these are your responsibilities. You have to design and develop a high quality web application, collaborate with cross functional teams, to define, design, and ship new features, write clean code, ensure performance, quality, responsiveness of applications, identify and correct bottlenecks and fix bugs, help maintain code quality, organization, and automation, participate in code reviews, and stay updated with the latest technology. So these are the general responsibilities. Most of the companies demand these kind of responsibilities from the person they are hiring. These are some must-have skills. So see, they like people those who have these skills, they will be like taken as priority for this hiring. Experience with Git and version control, experience in designing and consuming RESTful APIs, familiarity with testing frameworks, knowledge of like continuous integration and deployment practices, strong analytical and problem solving skills, and excellent communication skills. Of course, these are some high quality skills which you all must have for this job role. Okay. Next, how your resume will get shortlisted. So start like which is your profile summary. So start with that profile summary, whichever that is demanded. If a job is demanding machine learning expertise, so write about machine learning. As this job role is demanding for full stack, So write those skills which align with these responsibilities. Take out the keywords. You can also take help of ChatGPT to do that. Put all the job role on the ChatGPT, take out some keywords and include those keywords as skills in your resumes so that it must be beneficial. And if you want, like our team, one of our member, one of our placement mentor should verify your resume before you apply for this job or for any job. You can just email us. Our email ID has been given in the description box. You can go check that out. Next, from which resources you should prepare. So Talent Battle has a full-fledged resource that is one short solution to all your placement preparation. Okay, so let's check that out. What is that all about? So this is the link of the course. Okay, this is a complete placement masterclass course. Okay, so as you can see, you have to just type in the link. This link will be given in the description box. Whenever you will click on the link, you will be landed to our complete placement masterclass page. And these are the skills which we are preparing students for. We are preparing students for their placements, and all of this comes up in a one single course. We prepare you for quant, aptitude, logical reasoning, verbal ability, DSA. Before DSA, we prepare you for C, C++, Java, or Python, whichever language you prefer. And there is a full stack development course included in the same package. You do not need to pay anything extra. The course price starts from just 1176. So go check on the website. There are different options to enroll. Okay. And if you apply the code that is YT offer as mentioned here, you will get an additional 10% discount. This is only for those students who are applying through YouTube. So you can just like share this video with your friends as well so that they can check this out. Okay. If you have any information, like if you have any queries regarding to this course, you want to discuss anything or you want to call us, our calling numbers are also given in the description box. You can call us in any language, English, Hindi, Punjabi, all are preferable, or Marathi. Okay. Moving ahead, let's get back to our slide. Now, how to apply? The link is in the description box. You have to just click on the link and you will be getting a link. You have to just apply. So let's just take a quick look of the application form as well. Okay. So this is the application form. When you will just click on the link, you will be landed to this page on Google. So here you can see full stack developer position, full stack intern. This is the position summary. Company name is Futures First. And here is the apply now button. All other details we have already discussed in the presentation. So now just click on apply now. So here this is a short form. So you can see surname, first name, email ID, phone number, date of birth. You have to fill your home state. You have to fill your hometown, that is your city, and your UID. UID is basically your Aadhaar card. You have to fill just like Aadhaar card. First two letters of your first name followed by last four digit of your Aadhaar. So it means they have also given example. Let me just zoom my screen. Yeah. So as you can see here, first two letters, like if your name is Peter and this is your Aadhaar card number, you have to just pick up first two letters of your name, that is P and E, and next you have to put last four digits of your Aadhaar card, that is whatsoever is your Aadhaar card, you have to put that in this UID column. Next, you have to fill this education details like your college name, your degree, whichever is your degree, like take it as BTech. Okay. So your specialization is your stream, your scores, your work experience. If you have any work experience, you can just put yes. If you don't have any work experience, you can put no. If you will fill yes, so is work experience relevant to the position? If you fill yes, so it means something is aligned with your work experience. Like you have done any kind of internship in the past, you can go for this. How did you come to know about Futures First? So you can just put others or you can put website or anything. Okay. In the others, you can like you can put others. And here you have to upload your resume and just click on this apply button. Yeah, this was a very short form, very small form. So this is how you just fill your details in the form. Still, if you have any confusions while filling, if you got any error, then you can just connect with us. So our team of mentors will going to help you out. Coming back to our presentation. So now we are open to questions. So as you know, Talent Battle is offering one-on-one free mentorship. So if you have any questions related to your placement, okay, like you are preparing for your placement, you might be having number of questions you want to discuss, and you're not finding to whom you can discuss. So you can discuss to our advanced team of mentors, those who are helping thousands of students to getting placed. Okay, and this will be a free mentorship. Yes, of course, this will be a free mentorship. We do not charge any single penny to talk with you. You can talk with us. Our mentors will clear all your queries related to placements, related to rounds, related to interviews, anything you can ask from our mentors. Yeah. Otherwise, you can just drop your comment. I will be answering to all the comments in the description, like YouTube. So another thing is you can just reach out to us on social media handles like WhatsApp, Instagram, and our official website. All the links are given in the description box. That's all in today's video. We have learned about a skill and also about a company that is Futures First. So I hope you all the very best. Apply for this position. You need not to worry about your getting selected or not. Just keep on applying. Thank you. That's it. Have a nice day.